Hi, beloveds. Loving yourself is the foundation upon which we build our goals and our aspirations. But what does that mean, right? It means that some of you are trying to achieve your goals first, but you have no love for yourself and you're failing. You're still wondering why you're failing. But if you don't love yourself, you're running backwards and your goals will struggle to be realized because you can't realize and love yourself. All good things come when the fount at which it comes from is full and powerful and beloved. And so you're trying to bring something forth when inside there is nothing. So you will bring forth nothing. The inner work must be done before you can see and realize the outer, more tangible results. And too many of you are taking action on your goals without taking action on loving yourself and self-caring for yourself. And what happens is, even if you achieve that said goal, right? It won't make you happy. You'll have it and you'll wonder why you still aren't happy. And so don't let that be you, because without loving yourself, you may only allow yourself to have certain goals, and you will limit your goals more on what you think will impress other people versus what will impress you and what will bring you joy. So for example, you might say that your goal is to be married and have children, but if you loved yourself enough, you might come to accept that what you really want to do is to run the world, rule the world, and not run and rule someone else's kitchen and home and be an unpaid chauffeur and maid while feeling obligated to give access to your body to someone else every day, right? If you loved yourself, you would forgo judgment and ignore it when they call you a single cat lady and go live your life on your own terms, all right? So that's in no judgment to those people who really want to be a wife and mother. If that's you, that's fine. But just be sure that it's what you really want. Be sure it's your goals and that you've made the decision out of love for yourself and not out of a need to have external validation and approval. That's very important. So when we embrace who we are, we lean into the confidence we need to pursue our dreams despite the fear, despite the judgment, despite being called single cat lady, whatever, right? And we are told every day by society to be nice, smile more, blah, blah. And pursuing your goals that don't center the priorities of the patriarchy is often viewed as what? Not nice. But keep this in mind. Keep in mind that we are more likely to regret not pursuing our goals at all versus pursuing them and failing. So in short, it's better to pursue and fail than not try at all. And keep in mind that failing a few times, it doesn't make you a failure. Every successful person, they will tell you that they had to go and fail multiple times before succeeding. And it's the investment that you give to the universe. The price you pay for entry is failing. And almost no one tries and wins the first time. That's very rare, right? The more you fail, they say the more you fail, the closer you are to success. You have to pay these dues. So try differently, learn, explore, test, try again. It's your life. So pursue the goals that matter to you. And if you find yourself depressed or lacking energy, then just maybe try pursuing your goals, not someone else's goals or someone else's goals that they have for you. If you find yourself depressed and you're sad and you don't have energy, try pursuing your goals and you will be amazed at how more energized you feel when you're working for your own joy and happiness instead of someone else's. All right, beloveds, take care and self-care.